Yum, yum, yum! Big stretch. Eat your food. Wait. Okay, go ahead. Yeah! Hello everybody, today is Sunday, and I thought I would just do a little Sunday vlog, take you with me as I go about my day. So I just had a meeting for our app that we've been working on. If you've not heard of it, it's called Truebelly. And we've been working on it for the past couple of years. So we just had our 2-hour-long Sunday meeting for that. Today I need to tidy up a bit, do some laundry, repot my 9-foot-tall birds of paradise that I've been putting off for way too long. She's not looking too good, so I know that it's time. We don't have a lot going on today. Maybe this vlog's gonna be boring, who knows, but I just figured, let's just give it a try. Let's just see what's interesting. We already missed the turnip lady on Animal Crossing, so unfortunately we can't buy any turnips, so that stinks. Other than that, we'll just see where the day takes us. Buckle up and let's go. There's one small shift that Andrew and I have made in our weekly lives that has changed everything for the better. It sounds so simple, but ever since Andrew and I started doing our own laundry, it has made our quality of life so much better. We used to have one hamper and we would throw all of our dirty clothes into this one hamper. We have our own separate baskets. I do my own laundry. I do a quick wash, so it's like a 25-minute cycle. Dry what I need to, hang dry the rest, and then the basket is his to do whatever he wants with until the next week when I need it again. I can do my laundry without his laundry getting in the way of mine. He's happier because I'm not bothering him about his laundry. I just had to share that little nugget with you guys because it's been such a game changer for us. It's made us so much happier. Howdy. Come on, Lynn. So typically at the end of the day, I like to take a vinegar water mixture and spray my sink, and then sprinkle a little bit of baking soda mixed with some lemon essential oils. Usually I do it at the end of the day, but feeling like doing it this afternoon. So we just went to Andrew's office, that's downtown in Austin, grabbed his monitor, and we're gonna see if we can find a solution to put both of our desks in here, because right now Andrew's working downstairs on the couch, or sometimes he'll take my office, and it's just kind of a lot of us switching back and forth. We're catching on to the fact that he's not going back to his office anytime soon, so we might as well find a solution that works well for both of us. So let's see how this feng shui goes. Okay, so we're trying something new. I really enjoy moving things around. It makes me feel like I'm shopping in my own home. So hopefully we can find the layout for this so that we don't have to buy new things. She's a cutie girl. She's a cutie. So excited. I love this. This is so fun. Having the couch in here is not ideal, but I think we've come to terms with the fact that we're probably not gonna have guests for a while. And if we do have guests, like my parents or Andrew's parents, we can still pull this out. This is just kind of blocking the closet that we don't really use anyways. Temporary solution for a very weird time. Okay, we are back from the store. We found a tabletop from IKEA, no legs. They're completely sold out of legs. Makes sense because everyone's working from home, so all the legs are gone. Looks like we're gonna have to order some legs or make our own. This is the little tabletop we got, and I'm looking for some metal hairpin legs. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap up today's vlog. I didn't end up repotting the birds of paradise because today took a turn. Hope you all enjoyed today's video, and let me know if you like these types of videos, if you want to see more vlogs. I enjoyed doing it. So yeah, thank you all for following along. Again, I'm Jules. Hope you'll subscribe and stick around. Take care, and sending you all lots of love. Mwah.